So we plan for doing them 2 weeks then?
I like doing activities, so anything that's fun. I'm just not a party person.
Okay.
So any kind of activities I like doing.
Like, what do you mean, like any other activity?
Oh, I like ATV. I like ziplining, river, beach, stuff like that. I like doing activities. I'm just not a party person when I come to Jamaica.
Okay. Fuck or something?
Pardon?
Like river, like you go river or something?
Of course. Always at river, beach, whatever.
Okay. So which part of Jamaica you come then?
It depends. Sometimes I'm in St. Catherine, sometimes I'm in St. Anne's. So, but I like being in St. Anne's. Yeah, I love rafting. Anything that's to do with activity, I do it. Once it's not some long walk or something like that.
That far from me, that means you love me far.
Listen, right now I'm in England. I'm thousands of miles away. To you, idiot people that's saying set up, it ain't no setup. Like, I'm not one of them person. Sorry.
Huh?
I'm just saying, to the people that in the comment that's saying it's a setup. It's not a setup. I don't even understand why you guys will think that. I'm not up here looking him and chatting him up for it to be like a setup.
I like me, I say. You didn't even look me.
Exactly,
So
like, I don't understand how it'd be a setup or something like that. 360? Do you guys really want a 360?
Me tell
You want me to
them
do a 360?
Yeah.
No, that I can do. No, nobody needs to ask for 360.
Focus, guys, focus.
Jaydeen, you could be nice and add me back, yeah? Because I've been following you for some time now. So you can be a nice person and just click that little add button.
Okay. And then what? When we follow, what after? Come on,
Okay,
come back.
remove me.
What? How should it? Can I send a request? What should it? Yes, yeah. What's your name again? Oh, Sarah.
It's saying that I can't put my hold on, let me see. Okay.
Let's
Okay.
go turn on again.
It's strict over here. It's strict.
Eh? Yeah, it's very
I
strict.
mean, I'm not even naked. What the heck?
What me I say?
Are you just chilling today? You're not going out?
Yeah, so you can cook. Yeah, me just chill today, you know. I set up.
Why would you think it's a setup? Like, be serious. I don't even mix and mingle in people business. Like, I don't even go in live. I've never actually been in live on TikTok. I literally was just being enough and say, add me, and you add me.
Oh.
Of course.
So you can cook.
Whatever I like to
cook.
eat. But I'm a seafood lover.
So about. Okay.
What does F1 mean?
Me don't
I have
know
to go on
that.
Google.
Seafood,
Seriously?
swell up
That's a bit sad. But I eat everything else too. But I like seafood.
Love seafood. But you can eat seafood, no? So the live don't get blocked. Oh yeah. F1 I feel live don't get blocked. So why live
I
when I
don't
get
even
blocked?
understand why. Like, I'm just sitting here with clothes on. So, and who's ever, does people like report the live or something?
I don't know. Probably I hear live.
I'm in clothes over here.
Of course. So
Me
y'all
and
want
my
live?
son live together.
Oh yeah, your son live together. So how long you single?
The ending of last year. From the ending of last year.
What? So you not fuck for last year?
Is that hard to believe? I swear in your live yesterday you said that you didn't have sex for ages, and I believe it. I swear on my son. I don't need to lie.
So that means say your juice full up in your back.
Ask her about Angie. What about Angie? She wants a man bad. Wow. I mean, if I want a man that bad, believe me, it's really not difficult to get one. So I don't know why y'all think. You know what? Women love chatting shit sometime, you know.
All right.
Okay, Jaydeen, have a good day. Later.
Yeah.
Can you take me down, please?
Yeah. Sir.
Can you take me down?
Huh?
Thank you.
Yeah. One last look. Fire face. Say about in the bed.
You see, I can say yes, but it's something that a person would have to experience for themselves. Because a woman can say anything.
Okay.
Correct?
Cool.
I'm 5'5". I'm not doing a 360 again because I did a 360 and then it said I'm getting restricted. So I'm not doing a 360 again.
Okay. I think me I go England. I think we need that England visa.
I mean, it's once you've got the right documents, it's not very hard to get England visa. Mm.
Eh? I just think I would need that. Guys, I just think would I probably need some of the stay when we get the visa. You see? I just that alone.
Really?
Eh?
How old are you?
How old?
Is it how tall are you?
Tall. Let's go with tall.
What do you call tall? Anything underneath 6 foot is short. Anything under 6 feet is short. Okay.
Tall man. You know me taller than you?
A lot of people is.
By far. Taller than you, man.
I'm just asking.
Your teeth them
I like
cleaned
to
up.
think so. Thank you.
You say
sir.
thanks, miss.
Thank you, Jaydeen.
Jaydeen.
My name's Toya.
What your name?
And you know my son name's Caden.
Oh yeah. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Why you try do it, no do it. No, don't do it. I'm sure you know your son now that and so.
I'm born in April,
Anyway.
people. Someone says, what month am I born in? I said April.
April born?
Not on my end, but I'm not sure to you viewers. Yes, I'm an Aries.
You're born April. Guys, who? Hold on. I'm take you down and say.
Later.
Hold on, wait. Alright. Me a log?